What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel Trails, Tails, and Scales. Today we are gonna be hopping in that baby right there. I should pick a name for it, like the SS Trails, Tails, and Scales. But anyways, I got me and Peyton here tying his boots up. We're gonna go get on some walleyes and saugers today. We were out yesterday. Right before we came in, we moved to a different spot. We were in 20 feet. We moved to 30 feet and we started getting on bigger fish and a lot more fish. Like, drop it down right before you get to the bottom, you get a fish right away. So we're gonna go back to that same spot today and we're gonna try to hammer some fish. Yeah, let's go get it. See you guys in the water. All right, guys, we're here, and as you guys can see, it's a little wavy. When we're coming out, I got soaked. It's very windy out right now, so we're gonna have to make do. Just gonna put a minnow on this guy. It's a bucktail jig, color perch. So we're just gonna try to jig this on the bottom. We're gonna be in 30 feet of water, jigging for some walleyes. So let's go. Oh yeah, there we go. Little guy. Little guy? Little guy. Oh, actually, that's borderline. I'd throw him back though. Here you go, guys. Little sauger start off the day. That's probably about a 11, 12 incher. Throw him back. Yeehaw! First fish of the day, baby. Let's go. Big waves. Oh yeah, I got him. Got him. Right away. Probably with what was that? Oh. Oh! That would have been a keeper too, wouldn't it have been? Woo! Right in the middle. I got my minnow back too. I know, would have. Nicer one? Net? Netter? Whoopsies. You got a little guy, let me see him, Payne. Little guy, belly hooked. Got him, Peyton. That's a nice one. Peyton, that's a nice one. Get the net. That's a nice one. Yep. Hang on. Actually, I gotta come around here. That's a nice one. That's a nice one, guys. Oh! I hope it's not a sheep's head. Oh! Just came off right there. You gotta be kidding me. Oh! Let me get back down there. Man, that hammered it. I think that was a sheep. Oh, that was a nice one, too. That one? Got one, little guy? Just a little guy. Oh, not horrible. Kind of little. Got him? Little guy? Oh, that's not bad. Oh, walleye. Nice little walleye. Got one? Nice one. A little bit of weight. Oh wow, okay, I got one. Not a bad sauger. Not a bad sauger. Nope. It's a nice one. Doubles, almost doubles. Hang on, let me get it situated quick. This guy's bleeding pretty good. Skills, so. Alright, there you go, guys. There's mine. It's probably about really fat. Probably about a 12 incher. Going back.
That one was bigger than this one. This one's 12 inches.
Oh, probably at 13. There goes Peyton. Got a sauger right there. 13 inches or 12 inches, so he's throwing back. Whee! Got one? Oh, little guy really hooked. Little guy. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. Whoopsies. Dude, I had a massive fish on it. I freaked out and I hit the motor so hard. Ah, dude, I'm hitting him so thick down there. Oh yeah. Doubles? You got a nice one? Here, I'll reel mine up then. Mine's not that nice from what I can tell. Get the next bait here. Oh, belly hooked, never mind. Belly hooked sauger. Sauger and the same jig. They're biting short, so they're just getting the stinger. I'm glad I have this on there. Little sauger, guys. Smallest one of the day, probably for me. Let me see your ones, Peyton's. Let me see yours, Peyton. Is that a sauger? Yeah. Belly hook sauger. All right, throw him back. Another one. Smaller. Yeah. It's a head shaker, that's for sure. Oh, come off right there. What the heck? Why? They're like just barely getting the hook in their mouth. Yikes. There we go. There we go. Huh? What? Oh. See guys, that shows what they're biting. They're just getting, every fish I've caught just has a stinger hook on it. There's another little sauger right there. Throw him back for sure. Oh yeah, there you go. Feels like it. I don't know what it is though. It's the same feeling that I had before when it kept coming off. Oh wow. Oh wow, that's a nice sauger, dude. Yeah. Dude, that's what's been down there. I'm gonna slow this down a bit here, sorry about that. Woo! That's a nice sauger. Yeah. Yeah, that's probably, that thing's fat. Look at that belly. That right there is probably 15. Definitely measure her. Now the boat's gonna go out of control, but I'll have to get back to that in a second. Let me measure her up. Wow, it is rocky up here. Wow. All right, 15. Pinch a tail, 15 1/4. Woohoo! There we go. That's a keeper for sure. That's right there, guys, is what's been hammering. What's been hammering and just head shaking and letting go. So definitely toss them in the live well. We got one. Nice one. Net. No, no, bad. Yeah, that's not a nice one at all. Wow, nice fish. Just kidding. Oh yeah, there. Little guy. Oh wow. Okay. definitely a little guy. Littler guy. Didn't put much of a fight up. Got one? Nice one? Oh yeah, that's a chunk right there, boy. That's a keeper. That looks a lot bigger when you're bringing out of the water though, because its mouth is open. Measure that one up, see what it is. That's definitely a keeper though. 15 and a half. Nice. Yeah, longer than mine. That's nice. Yeah, put some water in that live well in a little bit here. Oh yeah. There we go. I felt that guy hit. Except he's like coming up really fast, but he's got some weight to him. Oh, that's a walleye. That's why. He felt small, but he's definitely fighting. Throwback walleye. Throwback. Oh wow. That one little hook won't come out. There we go. Go guys, nice little walleye. Probably about a 13 incher. Definitely get him back. That one right away. Bigger one or no? Yeah, throwback definitely. Yeah, maybe even shorter, maybe like a 12. Can you want a nicer one? Woo! That's a nice sauger. That's for sure. That's another keeper right there, sir. Yeah. Measure that up. See what she is. Tell me what she is. 15 and a quarter, guys. There you go. Peyton's second one. 15 and a quarter. Put him in there. They're hammering. They're just hammering. Oh, yeah. There you go. I don't know, I can't tell these weeds on there, but it feels like, oh, walleye, another walleye. Another eye, boys, another eye. Oh wow, he choked that. I need the players. Okay, guys, swallowed that hook. It was just right by his gills, but he's fine. Little walleye again, throw him back definitely. Is it a netter? Nah. No. Oh, this little walleye again. Nice, nice. Dude, that thing smashed it, but it's not. What is it? It's a walleye, but it's a little. But it's running underneath the boat. Wait, it's a smallie.
No wonder it's very hard.
Yeah, little smallie. There we go. I think so. It feels like a good. It's a walleye. No, it's another sauger. These things are just every time. Choking. There you go, guys. Nice little sauger. Throw him back for sure. Give me my minnow back, son. Ripped his face off.
Alright.
Nice, sir. Oh, border.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. Probably not. Oh, yeah. Not really a nice one. Counted though. Touched it. Alright, there you go, little sauger. Yeah, buddy. Nice one. Head shaker. Oh, walleye? Walleye. Too small to keep. That would have been a keeper. Those are almost keepers if those are saugers. But we have two left, 2 more minutes left, so. Oh! Boys! Now that is a wave. That was from the bass boat. There's a bass boat that just came past us. The whole bow went under the water. You could see the water trickling. What the? Okay. I guess there's your benefits and then your what's the opposite of benefit? There's the pros and there's the cons with the John boat. It can go places where big boats can't, but also it can't go places where big boats can. You know what I'm saying? We're out here in these big bass boats and big whatever Lund boats. I know. Yeah, from every direction we got waves from that guy. Nice one? Netter?
No.
Not quite big enough net. Let's see what we got. Oh, no. Throwback sauger.
There.
Dude, that fish came back like what, 3 times and you finally got him? If that's the same fish. Be funny. Little sauger again. That looks like the same fish you just caught. Honestly. Oh yeah, there we go. Feels like it. Oh yeah, nice. Oh wow, nice sauger again, guys. Nice sauger. Again, stay still. Stay. Good boy. Guys, that is a chunk again. On the treble hook, right in the bottom lip. Let me measure him up. I'm gonna measure him up. Probably I'd say same size as the last ones. Go up there and measure him up. Let's see here. That is 13 and a half.
Oh, snag.
And Peyton's got a snag, so we're gonna throw this guy in there because he's 13. So, bam, go. Oh, snapped right away. Oh, there we go, guys. Yeah. Oh wow, that's a head shaker. Oh, Peyton, we almost had doubles, dude. Oh, little sauger. Little sauger. Kicked in the gills. Got one, nice one. Nice net. Oh, little walleye. Oh, walleye again, huh? Got weeds again, don't I? Oh, you got one? Nice one. Whoa. I feel like we're on the ocean. Oh, nice one. Nice one. That's a keeper for sure.
Whoa.
For sure, keeper. For sure. But I got weeds, so I gotta reel up, so.
Top lip.
Nice sauger. We throw him in there. Go.
5. I'm waiting for a water level.
Oh yeah, there we go. She's like a head shaker. That's for sure. Ooh, little sauger. Again, another little one, guys. Another little guy. Hammered the big hook this time, actually. First time today, hammered the big hook. Little sauger. Woo! That's funny. Nice one. Nice one. Yeah, little guy. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. No, I don't think so actually. I think it's quite small. Not even pulling any drag, so. Hey, actually, oh, come on. Get it. Hey. Just short maybe. 13. Keep him. And I think we'll throw him back, guys. A little skinny. Oh yeah. No. Not really. This thing's hammering. Oh, now they're hammering the big hook, dude.
Yeah.
Hammering the big hook. There you guys go. Another little sauger. Whee! Thanks for biting. Oh, come on. What is that? It's little, it's tiny, whatever it is. Perch! It's a perch. Look at that, guys. Wow. Yeah, a little perch, guys. He ate that minnow right up. Wow. Definitely threw him back. Wasn't recording, but I just got a nice one. Feels like a nice one at least. And I got Peyton, and it looks like a keeper too. I'll back this up in a second. Wasn't recording because I wasn't catching anything for a while, so oh, here you go, guys. We're definitely keeping him. I'm not gonna measure him because he's definitely 14 inches, so throw him in there in the live well with the other ones. It feels all right at least, huh? Nice one. That's what you said last time, and it was like a 5-incher. Oh, that's an... I don't have him inside the boat. That's a keeper sauger, that's for sure. Keeper sauger. What do you think that is? 14 and a half. Measure him up. See what he is. Ready? Oh, yeah. I did it. I did it. It's tiny, whatever it is. Show a hook. There's a little sauger again. Got one. Nice one. Okay. A little bit of weight, huh? A little bit of nothing. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh man, I gotta get this bimini out of here for calling a fish, man. That was weeds. Oh, I felt that one go down as I set the hook. I have a fish? I don't think so. Yes, I have these. Oh, yeah. Walleye. It's a walleye. Oh, buddy, what you doing, bud? Come here, please. There you go, guys. Here you go. If you go, so if you guys don't know the difference between a walleye and a sauger, as you can tell, this one walleyes have a white tip on the tail, and they do not have black dots. Walleyes do not have black dots on the dorsal fin. And if you watch, when we're catching all the saugers, which we're catching most of the day, they have black spots on their back, on the dorsal fin right here. So yeah, that's how you, if you guys don't know, that's how you identify a walleye from a sauger. So if you guys think we're keeping a bunch of walleyes that are undersized, we're not. We're catching saugers, which are legal in any size. So just letting you guys know. Oh, nice one. Nice one? Netter? Netter or no? Did you lose him or no? Oh. Yeah, feels nice, huh? Those little things fight hard, honestly. Wait, nope, no wait, just Peyton's rod just bends like a new one. Oh yeah, guys. Oh wow. This feels like a good one. Not really. Not really. Felt like a good one. Mine's still big. Pair sizes? Whose is bigger?
Try to get mine up.
Whose is bigger? Huh? Yeah.
Same size.
Who's is bigger? Let me see. Let me see. Hold it up like that. Whose is bigger? Leave it in the comments. Whose is bigger? I think mine's bigger. I don't know. Toss them back though. Oh, he's right in behind the boat. Or maybe I'm just going in front of him. I don't know. Little guy back. Little guy, not quite a keeper. Little guy again. Oh wow, I got the river monster, guys. This thing's running. Just kidding, it's just a snake. Ah. Alright, we gotta take it up. Get this thing out. Nice one? Is it nice one? No, it's not a nice one. It's just a little guy on your. Oh, that's a keeper walleye, son. Measure that up. Is she 15 or what? I think that might be short, actually. Short of 15. I'll show you guys. Oh, just short of 15, guys. 15, yeah. Yep. Oh man, good fish though. Look at that fish, guys.
That counts as a good fish.
Yep, that's a good fish. Let me see him, guys. Or Peyton. Yep, there we go. All right, first decent sized walleye today, actually. We haven't caught much more than the 12 inchers for walleyes. Another one, little guy, just a little sauger. Peyton's snapping them over here. Oh, that's a nice sauger, bro.
Wow.
That's a chunk right there. Yeah. Let me see that guy. That's pushing 15 right there. Let me see that guy. Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. That's what we came here to do. Got a whole live well full of them. No, not full, but. Oh, what do we got here, bud? Oh, walleye. That's another eye. Another eye, probably about 14-ish. Yeah, Peyton says. Don't measure him up. Got to be 15 to keep. So, see what this guy is. Whoops. All right, what is? Oh wow, he actually pushing the line. Nope, never mind. All right, guys, he is just 14, so inch short. Throw him back. We got. Were you long lining it? Oh, little sauger.
Drifted away.
Little again. Another one right away. Wow. Where is he? Oh. Good boy. Came right off the hook for me. Another little sauger. Both him, guys. Got another one. I don't think it's a net-worthy fish because I side hooked him. That's why it felt so funny. Man, I got my hopes up for nothing. Tangled up. All right, hey, come here. All right, go. Another small sauger. Yikes. Nice one. Oh yeah, nice sauger. Nice sauger, that's for sure. Guys, look what I just reeled up here.
What sweatshirt?
I didn't reel up a sweatshirt. I reeled up this thing.
That's my shirt. You said you shirt.
Yeah. Alright guys, there you go. See, I was telling you guys earlier in the video, the difference between a walleye and a sauger. See, no white tip on the tail, and it has black dots, which is kind of cool because they're like black dots and you can see right through the dorsal fin. So, yeah. That's how you tell a walleye and a sauger apart.
Wow.
This is a walleye, I bet. Oh, is it? No, it's a sauger. It's a sauger. Borderline. I don't know. Let's measure him. If he's 14, I mean, he's fat. He's got a belly, actually, guys. He's got a belly. Measure him up. Good size fish, that's for sure. Peyton just snagged something. I think it's a snag, but I can't tell.
It's coming up, whatever it is.
Is it running or no?
No, it's not.
Oh, it must be a stick or something. Yep, that's not a fish. It's a stick. Let's see. We got a stick with a bunch of jigs on it. Is my jig on there? Let me grab it. Let me grab it.
Turtle on it.
Heck no. Let's see what we got on here. Any jigs?
Wow.
No jigs? Okay.
Right there.
Right there. Someone's gonna snag it again. What is she? She is a baby. A huge sauger. Skinny. Skinny and long. Oh, I have one too, Peyton. I think Peyton's belly hooked though. Peyton's belly hooked. Mine's behind the boat. Mine's bigger. Not keep your sides hooked in the nose and the nostril things. This one's going back for sure. See yours?
Huge.
His is tiny.
Oh.
Tiny huge. Just side, like hooking these everywhere. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching today. We're gonna call it a day out here. We got not quite our limit today, but we got some nice fat saugers in the live well. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. I really appreciate it. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and leave a comment down below for future videos, fishing preferably for me. What you guys want to see me fish for in the future. Yeah, it was a nice day out for fishing. Call it a day. See you guys in the next one. Out.